What if I told you that government doesn't just provide funding for startups? It also provides tax benefits, patent support, mentorship, and even access to investors. The unfortunate part is that most aspiring entrepreneurs doesn't even know these benefits exist. And in today's video, I explain in simple language how the government supports startups and how you can take advantages of these opportunities. So, hello everyone, I'm Kaleem and you are watching Interested Minds. If you have a business idea or planning to start one or already have an existing one, make sure you watch this video till the end because the support you are looking for might already be available for you. You just need to know where to find it. So the government wants more people to become job creators instead of job seekers. So when the startups succeed, they create new jobs, they develop new technologies, they solve real world problems, and they strengthen the country's economy. That's why the government has introduced several initiatives to encourage innovation and entrepreneurship. So let's start with the funding. If you have a promising idea and want to turn it into a product, there are government schemes that provide financial assistance during the early stages. This support can help you build a prototype, develop a product, test your ideas, and also validate it in the market. Keep in mind that every scheme has its own eligibility criteria and selection processes. Now, let's talk about one of the most overlooked advantages, that is your tax benefits. If your startup meets the required eligibility criteria and receives the necessary recognition such as DPIIT recognition, you may be eligible for certain tax incentives. These may include tax benefits during the initial years of your startup, easier compliance under certain government provisions, in some cases capital gains related benefits, again subject to applicable laws and eligibility. Remember, these benefits are not automatic. Your startup must meet the prescribed conditions. Many people think funding is everything, but in reality, the right mentor, guidance, and network can be even more valuable than money. Government supported incubators provide you experienced mentors, office space, networking opportunities, investor connects, legal guidance, and also business strategy support. So, if you have developed an innovative product or technology, protecting it is just as important as building it. The government also provides support to make patent filing easier and, in some cases, even more affordable. Another major advantage is some government initiatives help startups connect with government departments and large organizations. This means your first major client doesn't always have to be a private company. So it can be a government institution as well. Many startup programs also connect founders with experienced mentors who have built successful businesses. They can guide you on growing your business, building the right team, pitching to investors, and also launching your product successfully. If you are just beginning, identify the problem you want to solve. Build a simple solution or MVP. Register your company. Apply for startup recognition if you are eligible. Join a good incubator and then start applying for grants and funding opportunities. Many entrepreneurs start looking for funding before building anything. But here's the reality: funding doesn't chase your ideas, it chases execution. So build something first. Talk to customers, validate your product, and then approach investors or funding programs. So, if you thought investors were the only way to fund your startup, I hope this video has changed your perspective. The government doesn't just provide funding, it also offers mentorship, tax benefits, patent support, incubation, and opportunities to help your business grow. In my next video, I'll explain the top government startup schemes, who can apply, and the complete step by step application process. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Interested Minds and comment startup below. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and most importantly, keep working on your dreams. Goodbye.